Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to apply text effects in MS Word. This text effects option you can get in a font group of Home tab. Here you can see this A, colored affected A. This is called as a text effect option. Here one text I have written, on this text I will apply different text effects here. Now I will increase the size of this text. You can be able to understand what difference is happening, what changes is happening on the text. Okay, now click on this text effect option. Here different type of text effects option you can see. Any text effect you can apply on your selected text. Here the same text effect is applying on the selected text. Now if you want to remove the text effect applied on the selected text, then you can click on clear formatting option to remove the text effects option here. Now I will increase the size of this text. Okay, now here you can see outline. You can apply outline for a selected text. Click on outline. Here any color of outline you can apply for your selected text. Click on select any one color and click on that color outline. Select any one color and apply. Here you can see that color, border color has been applied. Now if you want to increase the size of that outline, then you can select this weight, and here different type of weight of outlines you can see. Any weight of outline you can select and apply for your selected text. And next option, if you want to apply different style of borders or else outline, then you can click on dashes here. Here different style of outlines you can see, solid you can see, dotted you can see, any style you can select and apply. Here you can see that outline is going to change on selected text. If I increase the size of that width, then you can be able to see the difference. Now you can see. Okay, and if you want to remove, you need to use the same option here. Click on clear all options and then the text will be displayed as before. Now we can increase the size of it. Now next option is what shadow here. Click on shadow. Here three type of shadows you can see. First one is what outer, inner and perspective. Any type of shadows you can select and apply for your selected text. Click on shadow, and if you want to remove the specific effect, then you can click on the same option and select no shadow option here. Okay, if you want to change the color of that shadow, if you want to change the location, angle of that shadow, then you can click on shadow options here. Here this format text window you can see here. This is in this window you can apply different style for that shadow. First option you can see here preset. Here different if you want to change the shadow style, you can change here any style of shadow you can select and apply for your text. And next one, if you want to change the color of that shadow, then you can change here. And now I am going to select a text red color. Then that red color is applying for that shadow. Then if you want to increase the transparency or else decrease the transparency, here you can apply. Now I am going to increase the transparency here. That means the shadow color will be looks little lighter if you increase the transparency. Now I am going to increase the or else decrease the size of that shadow here. Now I am see that size is going to get increased compared to the original text. And now you can blur it here. Now I am increasing the blur, so the text is shadow is going to get blur here. Now I will decrease the blur. You can see now clearly you can see the shadow will be taken in a degree. Here you can change the degree of that shadow. See that shadow is going to rotate here. Okay, next is what distance. If you want to make a more distance in between the original text and that shadow, then you can change here. Now I am going to increase, so it is moving right side. Okay, next one, close this window, and if you want to remove, clear. Now I will increase the size of this text. Okay, next option is what here, reflection. You can apply any reflection options here. Here different type of reflections you can see. Any reflection you can select and apply for your text, you can see here. And if you want to change something in the reflection, then you can click on more reflection options here. Reflection options here. And next here also reflection, different reflection options you can see. Shadow options you can see here. Click on reflection. Here you can select any one reflection. Okay, next one, transparency. You can apply transparency for a selected reflections. Here you can see the transparency is going to apply. If you don't want transparency, you can decrease it. Okay, next one, you can blur. You can increase the size of that reflection, and you can make it blur. You can apply a distance between that transparency, reflection. Okay. Next one is what? Clear formatting. Now I will again increase the size of this text. Next one, glow. Here outer glow, inner glow options you can see. Any glow variation option you can select and apply. And if you want to remove, you can click on no glow option here. Okay, click on glow options. And here you can see glow, preset glows, different glow. Here also you can change the glow of that text, and here you can change the color of that glow, and here you can increase the size of that glow. Next one, you can apply the transparency. The same options you can see here. Next option is what? Number style. Here you consider some number I am going to write. Now I am increasing the size of this text. Okay. If you want to change any, if you want to apply different style for this text, then you can click on numbered style here. Here different type of numbered style you can see here. See, 3, 2 are not in a same. Width, height of the text is not same here. You can see different styles you can see here. Okay. Next option is what? First I will select default here. Influence. Here you can see this is what my normal text. Now I will apply ligature on a same text. Okay, select this and select any one ligature here. Now you can see there is a lot of difference in between these text. F is attaching with the next letter. I hope you all might have understood how to apply text effects in MS Word. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.